Silhouette Studio on my MacBook Pro. My son got me for my birthday last year before last year, something like that. But I'm designing a puzzle for my granddaughter's birthday. It's a puzzle with her and her sisters. So I'm going to print this with Honestly Speaking sublimation paper. So I'm going to go over here to File, Print, and I have it on color plain paper bright white. And what else layouts do I have? Mine has been set up for so long. Let's see, color matching. I don't have anything. Well, this is what it's set up on. It's been set up for a while. So you cancel that, go back. I think it's paper handling. I have mine automatically set to mirror, but I never go in here because all my stuff is already set. Let's see, print settings. Yeah, mine is on quality, plain paper, bright white. And then mine is already set for mirror. So I don't change any of that. And I have an Epson 7720. And then I am just going to hit the print button. And it is printing. It drops down there. If I get an error, it'll tell me that I have an error. But I use Silhouette Business Edition, and what I'm going to be putting this image on is I'm going to be putting it on this puzzle. So when I get ready to press the puzzle, I'll bring you back and let you see what that process looks like. Here is the puzzle. I pressed it and forgot to turn on the camera, but here's our puzzle. And now I am going to press this image onto this pouch along with my granddaughter's name. So I need to get me a piece of, well, I don't need butcher paper onto this because this is Honestly Speaking paper, but I think I'm going to get a piece of butcher paper anyway and put on there just for the heck of it. Oh, sorry, my camera's all over the place. I am going to cut. So I'm going to cover it. This is going to be what she can put the puzzle in once she tears the pieces apart. Once I learn how to make boxes, then we'll go from there. I'm going to see what my heat press right now is set for 370, but it's at 342. But I want to see what my, all right, I'm going to put this up a little bit to 40. I pressed the puzzle only at 20 seconds, and it says to press it at, the directions say to press the puzzle at 400 degrees for 45, but I didn't do that. I pressed it at the 370 for 20 seconds. And with the Honestly Speaking paper, look how vibrant it is. Came out very bright, vibrant. Let's see, and here's the finished paper. So I can trash that. And now let's press this. So what I did is I'm turning it around and I'm going to take the zipper off the heat press. I forgot about that because I don't want to possibly melt it. Even though I have paper in the middle of it, I still don't want to melt it. So Let's see what we can get done and go. I gotta get my tripod. So let's see how it comes out. I'll edit out a lot of this. Oh, one of my little sponges. So this is my room where I do my heat press. There's Lacy Glow Pro over there. Over here in this corner is my mug press. These are some boards that I'm going to cut banks out of, or name signs out of. The pink ones are going to be banks. This one and this one, I'm not sure what I'm going to cut out of it yet. So I have wood under there while we're waiting on that. And just at the nick of time, let's see what it is. So let's see how it came out. See if Grandma did a okay job. Oh no. Grandma just realized what she's doing wrong on her filming, because I should be in the other mode. But our Mila came out good. Came out nice. So let's flip it to the other side. And I have another image that I'm going to put on there. Sorry about the camera. Let's see. Okay, so this is the image I'm going to put on there. And I am going to pause right here and come back to you when I get the image on. Okay, Grandma's back. She turned her camera the right way. That's what I love about the iPad. It goes the right way in my tripod. But I had some problems uploading from my iPad to iMovie. So I'm trying it on my phone. So we're going to go ahead and press this, make sure. Hopefully it's not upside down, but it's not going to matter because this is a picture. It could go either way. So here's our time and temp. Well, that's our time. If this comes out just as nice, and I got this substrate, I ordered it from China, along with some blankets that I'm not really happy with, but it is what it is. Oh, we could have got that on there. I don't like the white, but it's gonna have to do. So there's our meal to know. Let's see. Okay, I don't like handheld, trying to film a video holding the camera. All right, we took our paper out, and there is our pouch for our puzzle to go in once Miss Mila finishes putting it together. And then, or she can put whatever she wants in the pouch. But it's Mila and her sisters, my 3 beautiful granddaughters. Thanks for watching. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day. And our scripture for today will be from Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct your path. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to hit the thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day.